Hello, my name is Dr. Nimesh Pathak. I'm an ophthalmologist practicing in the Southern California area. I have a solo practice, so I'm independent, and I do primarily just vision correction surgery. Before we found my mountain mover, one of our biggest problems was being able to constantly stay in touch with patients. In a cash pay environment like the one that we are in, it's very important to build strong relationships with patients. And the other big need that we had was having somebody who can interface with insurance companies, help us on the backside of things with billing, claims, collections. Our virtual assistant has been wonderful. She has been a godsend for our practice. She has fit into our team from the first day. She does a number of different activities for us, including answering phone calls, submitting claims, tracking down any claims that haven't been paid, collecting any balances from patients. But most importantly, she is very, very good at interfacing with patients, making them feel like she cares and making them know that she's a part of our team. In general, our experience with My Mountain Mover has been wonderful. They helped us find this virtual assistant, and they gave us multiple different options that we could interview. They've given this virtual assistant a lot of autonomy, and they give them all the technology that they need, and they have been very reliable. There are very, very, very rare times where our virtual assistant may not be available for whatever reason, but 99.9% of the time she's available and on point and always dependable and reliable. I would strongly recommend My Mountain Mover to anyone who's looking to streamline their operations, have a team member who's accountable to all of their tasks, and if you're looking to improve the efficiency of your staff, we found that we were able to handle at least 30% more calls, close at least 20% more claims, and even more than those numbers was our ability to make sure patients feel like we care. And when we have a virtual assistant on board who's always able to reach out to those patients, build connections with those patients, it was a win-win situation for us. So I think anybody who's running a busy medical practice, whether it's an insurance-based practice or a cosmetic practice or a cash pay practice, anyone can benefit from having a virtual assistant who can help do things on either the backside, whether it's administrative tasks, or even with patient interfacing tasks such as calling patients, texting patients, and making sure that they're a part of our highest priorities. So to sum it up, I highly recommend My Mountain Mover, and our virtual assistant has been outstanding.